Morning, all of you. Today we are going to start our first chapter of IP, that is computer system. You all are familiar with the definition or the word computer, as you all are using computer from your class first standard. So all of you know what is computer or what is the meaning of the computer. So here I am just explaining the simple definition of a computer. Computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to accept data. Means a device in which we will write a program which accept the data. Now here data means input. Now what data actually means? Simple definition for data is it is a incomplete information, or we can say raw facts or figures is data. For example, today your class started. So all this information whatever I am providing it to you, that is the input, that is the data for you. These notes and whatever the notes you will prepare according to our lesson, you will prepare some notes, that is called data. So that is raw material. Raw material, that is data. Like suppose your father brought vegetables from the market, that are the raw vegetables, that are the data, that are the input. So first your computer will take input, take data. Then what happened? After taking input or data, it will process it. It will perform some action on it. Like in my example, I told ki this information, whatever the information I am giving it to you, that is data. So now you have to work on it. You are listening my video, you are just preparing the notes. So what are you doing? You are processing on it, you are working on it. Like your father bring vegetable. Now your mother will cook food using that vegetable, that is process. So like for example in computer, when if you are using ATM card, first you will insert the ATM card into the machine, that is input. After that, machine will start reading your card information, that is process. Now after process, what happened? It will generate the result or output. After processing, you will get the result, you will get the output. Like in our example, first you are just listening my video, preparing notes, that is listening video is your data. Preparing notes means you are doing something, processing it, or you are reading a book, that is process. And after an year you will get the result, you have passed class 11, that is output. Same thing in case of a vegetable. See, raw vegetable, first your father will bring raw vegetables, your mother will start preparing food, then after preparing food you and your family will take your lunch or dinner, that is output. So see, raw vegetable is input, that is data. Whatever the times taken by your mother for preparing a food, that is process. And after that you got the result, that is your lunch or dinner. Same thing, I am providing you the notes, that is data input. You have to work on it. You have to prepare notes according to my notes or my lecture. Then at the end of the session, exam will going on. School will take the exam and then you will get the result. So in ATM machine, first you insert the card, that is your input. System will read your card information, that is your process. And after that, system will display the welcome message, that is the result. So just see the diagram also. User will give some input and your CPU will process on it and you will get the desired output. So this is the complete definition of a computer system. Now a computer along with along with all hardware and software together is called computer system. Now what computer system means? All the hardwares, whatever the hardwares attached and whatever the softwares attached with the computer, that complete is called computer system. All of you are familiar with the hardware and software also. So no need to explain what is hardware and software. Now your computer contains input or output device, that is your hardware, or central processing unit, that is your CPU, that is also hardware, comma memory and storage devices. Your computer contains input unit like keyboard, mouse, output unit like monitor, central processing, that is your processor, CPU, memory, that is your hard disk or pen drive or storage devices. So all these contains is a computer. All these components, whatever these components, input device, CPU, memory, all these components work together as a single unit and produce the desired output. So all these input devices, output devices, CPU, memory and storage devices when work together and give the result, that is your computer. Now what are the components of a computer system? Generally, a computer have three components. That is your input device, CPU, that is central processing unit, and output device. Now what is this? What is input device? Input device means hardware. Hardware devices which help us to give some information to the computer, which help us to interact with the system. Like you are entering your PIN number, that keyboard is your input device. You are typing a letter with the keyboard, that is input device. You are saving a file by clicking on the save button, that mouse is your input device. So all these are the input devices. So definition is hardware devices that sends data to the computer. See, with the help of keyboard you are sending some information. With the help of mouse you are giving some information, allowing us to interact with and control the computer. Through input devices, we are just interacting with the computer. We are just giving the instruction to the computer. And we are controlling the computer. Like in my live lecture, I am just using the keyboard to select these text. With the help of input device, I am just controlling the computer through input devices. So without input devices, nothing will happen. Until and unless you will provide some input, then only system will process. If we will not start our class, then you are not able to prepare the notes. You are not able to pass the class. Same thing, if your father will not bring any vegetable, then how mother will cook food? If you are not having your ATM card, then you cannot withdraw the amount. Second component is central processing unit, that is CPU. Now this is one of the most important component of a computer system because it performs all types of processing. Whatever the system will process, that is with the help of CPU. It is a unit which performs most of the processing, or we can say not most, all of the processing inside a computer will done with the help of CPU. It processes all instructions received, whatever the command, whatever the instructions we have given through keyboard, through your input device, through mouse, that will process by CPU. So we can say CPU is the brain of the computer. And third component is output device. Hardware devices. These output devices are also hardware devices. So those hardware devices which display the result, which give you the result, is output devices, either in a soft copy or hard copy. It will just show you the output, the result in soft format or as well as in hard format. See the definition: hardware devices that receives data from computer, usually for display, whatever the output you can see it, projection or physical reproduction, that is with the help of printer you are taking the printout, that is physical reproduction. Example is monitor, projector, printer, etc. Just see one diagram which denotes the components of a computer system. Just see the first part, that is input device. Use it through input device, user is giving input to the CPU. Yes. The above part we will discuss in our next class. Just see, input device is providing instruction to the CPU, and then CPU is giving the result, the output to the output device. This is the components of a computer system. So in next class we will discuss more about the components of a computer system. Thank you.